Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Tim Hardesty. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2014 Toyota Camry XLE. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner. It comes equipped with power heated side mirrors, chrome window trim, lightly tinted glass, and much more. Given its well-rounded nature and long-standing history of dependability, the 2014 Toyota Camry is a solid choice in the highly competitive mid-size sedan segment. This Camry has 17-inch alloy wheels and performance tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Camry is in great condition. It has fully automatic projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, along with fog lights and a really nice chrome grille to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a 4-cylinder, 2.5 liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Camry has front wheel drive and is estimated that drivers receive an impressive 28 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Camry has only 72,331 miles on it. At the back of the Camry, you can see the antenna, large brake lights, and sleek badging. Using your key fob, you can open the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing and unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Camry has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrests with cup holders, as well as the seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and simulated wood accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable fabric seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Camry is also equipped with door bins, a locking glove box, and outside temp gauge. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with driver express up and down. This Camry has a very comfortable tilting, telescopic, and leather wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the tilting and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is home to your entertainment features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3 and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and auxiliary ports. This advanced system even has voice recognition. You also have dual zone automatic climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.